Hello class and welcome to our 11th lecture series on international finance, and I'm your instructor Jamal Haider. So let's talk about the quick review regarding our chapter currency derivatives. So let's start from our first concept checker. Okay, now answer this question. The writer of a put option has a right but not obligation to buy the underlying currency from the option buyer. So recall the discussion on put option and remember, who is this? Writer. So it's true or false. So guys, I will be requiring your 100% participation on this concept checker. So everyone, please turn on your microphone, unmute yourself, and answer this question. It's true or it's false?
False.
False. Ali?
False.
Halima, Camila, Sipade, Nicola?
False.
Right? So writer means basically writing or purchasing the call option, right?
Yeah, I did not understand this writer thing.
So
the writer is the seller.
No, the person who is writing the option, who is writing, which means who is purchasing the option.
Okay.
Right? So put option means right to sell, right? So it will be, so wait. See, this is buy. Basically, input option we are sell.
So that's why I'm confusing. So the writer is the seller.
Yes.
Okay.
Because this more fits on call option, right? Call option is right to buy, right? But the put option is right to sell. So that's why it is false. Now answer this question. When the current exchange rate is less than the strike price, just write it down here, spot rate, a call option with that strike price will be in the money, and a put option with that strike price will be out of the money. True, false? Guys, I would be needing your participation. Please participate, everyone. Michael, Laura, Leo, Nicola, Sipade, Alima, Camila, Jackie.
I think it's false.
For me too.
For others?
Nicola? I also think it's false.
Yeah, me too.
So what is call option? Right to buy, right? And you will be exercising the price when the spot market price at that price, spot price at expiration is higher, right? But you see that it is less than. So that's why it is false, right? So it should be out of the money. When this is out of the money, then of course, the put option is the opposite of the call option. It will be in the money. Now answer this question. So everyone read it by yourself so that you can answer.
D.
D. Yes, D.
B and D, right?
Say B.
I said D, not B.
Did anyone say D or B? So all are saying D.
No, B.
B. So what is the answer then? Why not B? When you own, there is no obligation. So future contracts, both parties, they have obligation, not the option, because this is contract, right? And in option, what kind of option? Both option, put and call. There is right option, right? So option should be first and contract should be the second part. So here, option and forward contract. So you understand? B is not the option. Now answer this question. When the existing spot rate exceeds the exercise price, a call option is, and put option is, we just discussed that. Jackie,
I think it's D.
where is Jackie? Camila,
Is it A?
I also think A.
A, okay. Anyone else?
B.
Let's see the answer here.
I think it's
Yes,
D for me.
yes, D. Why is that? So when the spot price exceeds the exercise price, so what is the call option? Call option is in the money, which means you are more likely to exercise this. So at the expiration, when the spot price is higher and exercise price is lower, then you exercise the condition for the call option. You buy from the seller of the call option and you sell it into the market at spot price, right? So that's why when S minus X is a positive number, call option is in the money.
Sir, may I ask something? If,
Yes, sure.
if strike price, for example, the spot price is 1 and we purchase a call of 1.2, okay? And if in the time of expire of the call, the spot rate is 1.5.
You are giving me 3 rates. So this
Yes,
one is
I'm giving you the
rate.
yes, the current price, strike price, that's the 1.2, and the current price in the future. The future, okay, the date of the
Expiration.
Yes. My question is, in that scenario that the price is 1.5, it is also out of the money.
How? This is call or this is put?
Call.
How this is out of money?
Because the money shouldn't be 1.2. I mean, it's like more than the.
So, okay, let me repeat it. Call option. So what is call option? Nicola?
Yes. the right to buy.
right? So what is
Yes.
your gain or profit condition? Buy,
Buy low.
sell high, right? So you
Yes.
enter into a call option with some time t. So when you enter into call option, the spot price was 1.
Yes.
And your contract price or strike price is 1.2, right? At
Yes.
the expiration, the spot price is 1.5.
Yes.
So call option is in the money when you get some profit, right? So
Ah, so in the money, it means I'm getting profit.
yes, in the money, right?
Okay.
Out of money, it means you are having a loss.
Loss. Okay.
Okay.
But
So what will happen? Let me complete this example. So in the market, the price is 1.5, and your contract, the price is 1.2 strike price. So you will exercise the option from the seller. You will say that I will buy at 1.2 and I will sell in the market at 1.5. I will be having 0.3 profit, or you can, this is not profit, this is spread, because you also need to less the call premium. Then you get the net profit, right?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. We have another question. The greater the variability of a currency, there will be a premium of call option, and there will be a premium on put option on this currency. Other things equal. So what is the option? I heard B. B. Others? Guys, do participate. This is for your own benefit.
B.
B. Right?
B.
Because call option, let's say A as well. Call option depends on and time. All are positive, right? Premium depends on this is sigma. So both depends on if the time period is higher, the call and the put, their premium will be higher. If there is more variability or volatility, call and premium both will be higher. But here, this is the difference. If spot minus strike price is a positive number, then premium will be higher. If spot minus exercise price is a negative number, then the put will be a negative number. Answer is B, right? Not A. Understand? Now this question. If you expect the British pound to appreciate, you would speculate by call options and put options. How you can do that?
Okay.